Welcome friends in the class of Saru sir. Now today we are going to discuss business studies for class 12. Chapter 4 Planning, and it is the first day of our discussion. Now let's see. We can see there is a breeze in our screen, and if we want to understand the planning, we have to understand what is planning. Then we can very easily understand where we are, that is our present status, and where we want to go, it's our future status. And the planning bridges this gap of where we are and where we want to go, and this is the planning. And planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is to do it. Planning bridges the gap from where we are to where we want to go. It is one of the basic managerial function, as we already know, and planning involves setting objectives and developing appropriate course of action to achieve those objectives. Thus it is closely connected with creativity and innovation. Now we are going through the importance of planning. Planning provides directions. By setting in advance how the work is to be done, planning provides direction for action. If there was no planning, employees would be working in different directions, and the organization would not be able to achieve its goal efficiently. Second one, planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Planning is an activity which enables a manager to look ahead, anticipate changes, consider the impact of changes, and develop appropriate responses. And now third, planning reduces wasteful activities. Planning serves as the basis of coordinating the activities and efforts of different departments and individuals, whereby useless and redundant activities are reduced. Planning promotes innovative ideas. Planning is the first function of management. Managers get the opportunity to develop new ideas, and new ideas can take the shape of concrete plans. Planning facilitates decision making. Under planning, targets are laid down. The manager has to evaluate each alternative and select the most viable option. Planning establishes standard for controlling. Planning provides the standards against which the actual performance can be measured and evaluated. Control is blind without planning. Thus, planning provides the basis for control. And now, as usual, we have some questions. Which function of management bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to go. This is your first question. And second question is, it is the managerial function which enables a manager to look ahead and anticipate changes. Identify the function and explain its importance. These are two questions you have to write. And now thank you.